In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invites into marketing emails in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to open a marketing email by going over to marketing and clicking on email right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see right here all of the emails that you have available. So you can either create a new email or open an existing one by clicking on the edit option. To take note that you need to choose regular for one-time send or automated for workflow-driven options. Now you need to prepare the calendar invite file. You can create an event first on calendar and then export it as ICS. Now onto the email editor, select the content block that you want to add the invite. For example, let's just right here this button. Now onto this case, just click onto this link to, choose right here this file download, then click onto this upload right here in order to upload the ICS file that we have gotten from the actual Google Calendar. Once it's done, just review and save these changes. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.